Welcome to day one here. Essentially what we have to do is build a foundation and get the proof of concept, which is the very first sales. So what I've been doing for probably the last hour or so is working on launching the ads. And I'm literally about to press the review and publish button right now for the first campaign. But what I'm publishing right now is the first campaign for the first product. There's technically 2 products on the store, but there's 3 listings because one listing is a bundle. And I have 18 ad creatives for the first product, which is what I'm launching right now. So now that I have this first campaign scheduled to launch tonight at midnight with 18 different ad creatives, I need to make the second campaign and the third campaign for the other products. And honestly, just doing this, I've gotten a ton of ideas and things that I want to do to basically update the store, make it better. I think it'll be able to convert higher and be able to make more money. Because right now it's just like a bare bones Shopify store. Free theme, no crazy product page or crazy product description, like simple mock-ups. And really the only Shopify app on here is the review app. Like that's literally it. And yeah, I just want to get those first results. That's really it. See you in the next update. All right, it's about midnight this same day. I spent the last few hours basically speed running all the things that I initially thought of doing over the next week or month with the store, which was making like a print-on-demand version for printable versions of the products. I basically just figured it all out the last 3 to 4 hours. I wouldn't say I figured it all out because of course there's going to be things that happen that you have to fix and update, etc. But I did a lot of research and put together the systems for like V1 basically. So now on the product pages, there's printable versions of the digital products, and it's about to be midnight in a few minutes, so then it'll officially start spending and should be a pretty exciting first day. We'll see. Going fishing in the morning. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm about to go fishing like I said, but today is officially day 2 of this little series here, this challenge, and the ads did start spending last night. It's like 7 a.m. right now. But we've actually made a sale and technically it's profitable, which is cool. So let me show you. So here we have on the store, like I said, it's about 7 a.m. right now. We've made one sale for $59.99, 3.85 conversion rate. And on the ad side here, there's 3 campaigns and we spent a total of $36.50, made one purchase for $59.99. And basically that's just one ad set, this one right here. I mean, it's been $1.24. And yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens throughout the rest of the day because it still has a lot of spend to go through, but pretty cool, pretty awesome. Let's see. Okay, it's the end of the day here for the first day of the ads running. Closed off at $197.98, unless an order comes in the next 35 minutes. I'm not expecting it, but that would be pretty cool if it did. So right now what I'm doing is basically I've just continued as I've had ideas to, I add notes on my phone for things that we need to do to improve on everything that we have here. And honestly, what I'm kind of experiencing here is when you have something that has potential and something that is actively getting results here, like live right now, you have a lot of ideas and it's just then figuring out like which are the ones that are going to move the needle the most and make the most impact, and those are the ones that you want to do first. We're like technically slightly profitable. Like I've spent $178 today and 22 cents. I'm looking right now at the ad account just to be completely transparent, which my budgets were only $160 a day, but Facebook is just overspending, I guess. Whatever, like I'm not making money today, but it's a solid first day. And after probably 3-ish days, I'll be able to cut some fat on the ads for all the creatives that just don't perform and aren't performing. And then we should start to see some more profitable days, and then I'll allocate that spend towards some campaigns to scale this up. It's the 3rd day of the challenge, the 2nd day of the ads running. $140.66 spent today, $296.98 in purchase conversion value. And if you see right here, like, I'm not lying, this is the actual result. So I haven't changed anything ad-wise because the way that I do my testing with meta ads, and a lot of people don't like the way that it sounds, but it works good for me, is I'll do a lot of ad set level budget and test one creative under each ad set. So at this point, I have 25 ad sets that were launched originally, like in the first 3 campaigns, and that's all that's still running. I haven't turned anything off. I haven't changed any budgets. I haven't done anything, simply because the daily budget that I set for each ad set is at around like a third of the profit margin for each product. So, you know, it needs to spend like for a full 3-day amount on each ad set to be able to hit that break-even point for me to say, okay, like, do I want to keep letting it go? Like, are there any indicators, or is this something that I want to turn off, or, you know, what do I want to do? So that's why I'm not touching the ads at all right now, because it's still in the testing phase, basically. So even for it to be profitable yesterday, even just slightly on the first day, is a good sign. But today, so far, I mean, it's great. I mean, what is that, 160, so 296 minus 160s. I mean, it's about a 2x ROAS. Yeah, pretty good. All right, it's time for my daily update. It's actually past midnight, and I took a last-minute trip here to New York City, here with Nori. I'm pretty sure this is day 4, but I got some exciting news. Let me show you what's going on. So for today, and it's past midnight right now, that's why it's showing as yesterday, but $515.94. Now, I didn't really change anything too much. I just launched 2 new campaigns that I wanted to test out with the ads. And just so you can see here, the ads are actually tracking, like the ad account tracked completely accurate yesterday. So a little over a 2x ROAS. We're gonna give it another push here. I just added around, I think, another $100 roughly in budgets, maybe a little more. So yeah, I think that's around $350 a day scheduled spend now. So, you know, if all goes well tomorrow, it should be like over a $700 day. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. Also, I forgot to say, for day number 4, we have a special guest. Thank you, sir. What do you got to say?
I got something to say.
Yeah. Can you beat that?
I can't. You got that shit unlocked.
Oh,
no. I'm getting the fuck out of here, bro. That shit smells rancid, bro.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today is day 5, and kind of had a weird issue. So I scaled up the budgets last night, and as I started going through today, I was like, you know, the sales weren't rolling in, and so I went and looked at the ad account, and it had stopped spending it, like a little over $100. And I was like, that's super weird. Like, something's going on here, but I didn't see any errors or anything like that. And then I let a couple hours go by. I checked the ad account again. It only spent like another $1 or $2. Like, super weird situation, right? Because I knew it wasn't a spending limit, because before I scaled the budgets, you know, I made sure the spending limit, it was at like over $1,000 a day. Also, yesterday we spent, you know, more than 130, spent like, what, $250 roughly? So I was like, super weird problem. I just kind of let it sit today, and then realized, like, on the mobile side, it was showing as the ad account was disabled, but on desktop, there was nothing to be seen like that. And it turned out they're looking for some type of verification, and for whatever reason in the process, they lowered the daily spending limit back to like $135. But really just honestly a weird situation. Facebook just kind of bugging out a little bit, but submitted the verification, so we'll see what happens next. But I mean, just made 1 sale, shit happens. Hopefully it gets verified, and then tomorrow we'll be able to spend that full budget and we can see the results of it, because it's the weekend. Keep you updated. All right, guys, today is day 6, and basically what happened is this morning I refreshed my billing settings on the ad account, and the spending limit went up to like $2,000 or $3,000. I'll put a screenshot on here so you can see it. And the ad started spending, but instead of like barely spending like throughout the day, today it spent like the entire budget, like $400 by like 1 p.m. and just burned through the budget. By the time I saw it, we're down bad. I'll put a screenshot here of the spend and the sales amount. So today is an L day so far. We still got a few hours left of the day, so we'll see. And it's another day, bro.
Another day in NYC.
It's just another day in NYC. You don't pay attention to the budgets pay attention to you. What up? It's day 7. I'm on the George Washington Bridge. What up? I'm at the airport right now. Today so far is almost at $300 in sales, at $288 and some change in sales. I don't know how much it's spent in ads because I just haven't looked. I got my computer in my bag, but I got like not a super long flight, like an hour-and-a-half flight. I'm gonna get home and then I'll open my computer and check it and do like a proper update for the day. Hello, top of the morning to you. to conclude our 7-day digital dropshipping challenge, here's the total amount of sales, here's the total amount of ad spend. And what I'll say about this first 7 days of running ads is that we had some bumps in the road, and it wasn't all just so fun and easy. I really honestly did have high hopes after that $500 plus day, because things were really rolling, right? And ultimately then with that issue, I felt like things haven't been the same since. How corny and cliche does that sound? But now that I'm back here, I'm gonna dial in a little bit and freshen some things up. And I want to get it to 1K a day here pretty soon. So now I feel like things are getting back on track. I'll be able to keep you posted, and we should be able to get some great results. So if you want more info on digital dropshipping or tactical information, there's a lot on my channel, and I can even put a video right here. I'll link it right here for you to check out and watch. And as you have more questions, just hit me up on Instagram, and yeah, we'll talk soon. Peace.